These are 1-day-old birds. You can see we always give them enough light because they need light to be able to see their food. This is the first week. We are giving them their first injection. This is 1 week old bird. You can see how they become more sensitive and fast. Their movement. We always give them enough feed because they need feed. So that their bones will be strong. These are good birds. And soon we will be changing their apartment because this place will not be enough. All 47 birds due to their gradual growth. Before we give them their food, we make sure we wash the materials properly. Make sure there is no stain, there is no dirt on it, because they easily contaminate infections and dirt. So we make sure we clean it properly, then separate the food so that all of them can be able to eat well. So I will start with this. Let me start with this side of the cage. Happy to eat. They are still hungry and waiting for their food. Give them the other one.
The food spots. See, there's one of them here.
Please like and share my videos to your friends and family, and also people who are interested in starting their own small scale or large scale poultry business. Please also subscribe and turn on post notifications so you will be notified anytime we upload. What I'm trying to do here is to make sure they all eat well, because you can see from that side some are a little bit smaller than the others.
I'm just trying to make sure
most of them are afraid to eat.
A small
Don't know how
percent
to rush their food.
or an average percent of the food. All of them.
Trying to separate them and make sure they all eat properly as they should. They are all strong and healthy. We make sure we give them their food and water 3 times a day for fast growth and good nutrition. enough food to eat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. On our next video, we'll be discussing about the challenges that we had to pass through during this 1 month, because the total number of birds were 51, but unfortunately we have 47 birds left at 1 month old. You can see all of them are eating. Make sure the food is enough for them. They need all the necessary attention for each first 1 month, because this is the most important month. From day old to 1 month, the most important process during this 1 month. The name of this injection is called Gomboro. We usually mix it with a little amount of picnic powder, then water. We give them this injection every week. So this will be their last injection, because they are 4 weeks old, which is exactly 1 month. So we mix this properly. You can see the birds, they are doing well. Their bones are becoming more strong, and even their feathers. we make sure they all have a taste of the medicine. So on our next video, we'll be discussing about the challenges and the risks that are involved when it comes to poultry farm business. So you have to be ready. Subscribe, like and share the videos, and turn on post